Nothing to move. I'm getting ready to get the fuck up out of here.
I won't tell on the bros for immunity. Can't beat them, that shit ain't gon' ruin me. I'm the only one now that outdo me. I got hoes by the crew tryna do me. My life like a movie, get hit in the water. Don't got put in no work, I in order. This shit ain't got serious, the millions come plural. I'm living by morals, we swiping and keeping no word. This floor, I'm having no turn, I got bitches for lure. My baby, my whip talk to city, I'm sturdy.
You gotta tell them what you just did. This for the vlog, bro. You gotta tell them what you did.
I don't know why you said that.
Oh, okay.
I told you we with it. My word is like gold in my city. I tell them to go, they gon' get it. I heard that you froze when they hit it. Putting these hoes in the business, you know that you trippin'. I tell them no, they gon' listen. Knowing these niggas be sweet and some bitches, I'm different. She tryna leave me, I'm low down. I hang with savages, don't bring your own round. I'm going bougie, I'm switching my profile. All of my cars get delivered with no mouth. They think they do and we don't, I don't know how. Run through the low, call the plug, I need more pounds. I put on trip every day from the floor up. I'm getting sick of this shit, post some more up. Yeah, cullin' and shouting, my driving ain't solid. I keep it on point, make sure nobody follow us. I got a Glock.
I have not really recorded this whole move thing, but I kind of recorded what I did and what I could have. But it's like, it's nothing here. There's supposed to be a headboard and stuff coming. It just has not came. But this is like it. It's it. Then there's the bed and stuff, but that's like it, y'all. Then it's the closet. Oh shit. It's like shoes and shit. And it's just unorganized, so you have to bear with me. And my skincare is in there too, but that's literally it. Like,
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you doing what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want. My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary.
y'all, they just had to have all this out when I choose to be single. Like, I don't know, y'all. Sad. So sad.
Lady, I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
We at the gym ski. I don't know why my flash on.
crib by the beach like Odell. No, I'm on my killers, don't tell. Chateau, I'm up of the New York the shelf. Now my bitch is taking to Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime, it's not going well. Get some me time.
Why the fuck is you throwing your head down?
Y'all, it's done. She was super nice, but this shit hurt. Are you? You just work here? You just work here by yourself? Nobody come up?
No, we have other people.
Go to lunch and
It's cute though.
like a movie, get hit in the water. Don't got put in no work, I in order. This shit ain't got serious, the millions come plural. I'm living by morals, we swiping and keeping no word. This floor, I'm young and I'm turned, I got bitches galore. My baby, my whip cost 250, I'm sturdy. Got 5 million cash, just in case if you merge. My young niggas still get away, they be virgin. It happen like this, I ain't do it on purpose.
I don't know about the haircut, y'all, but yeah, it's cute in here. Look how cute it is. It's cute as hell. Like, it's fire as hell every time I come in here. Like, it's so cute.
Putting these hoes in the business, you know that you trippin'. I tell them no, they gon' listen. Knowing these niggas be sweet and some bitches, I'm different. She tryna leave me, I'm low down. I hang with savages, don't bring your own round. I'm going bougie, I'm switching my profile. All of my cars get.
I think she used Estee Lauderdale. Before y'all eat me up, I know it's Estee Lauder now. Like, I was just dumb enough to say that throughout my vlog. Ignore me, like, ignore me. But it's super light, like, yeah. This is what she gave me from Estee Lauder. This is what she put on my face as well. And I guess it was in the shade Rich Carmen. You said your name's
Jazz.
Jazz. And you just did, like, what did you just do on me?
So I did the double wear,
Mm-hmm.
and then we did the double wear concealer.
Mm-hmm.
So it's the new double wear. It has hyaluronic acid, niacinamide in there, and then the concealer, it's fire, all day.
And it's
wear.
Estee Lauder though?
It's Estee Lauder. It's the same thing.
Thank you so much.
My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary.